Howard's in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen now celebrating a special day with a new dessert.
It's National Pretzel Day. Yup, an entire day devoted to the pretzel. Here in the test kitchen, we love all kinds of pretzels, from the soft ones we find on the streets of Philadelphia to the hard ones that deliver a whole lot of crunch. In fact, with all the shapes and sizes available, there's a pretzel for just about everyone. Over the years, our love for pretzels has grown, and today, it's a $500 million industry in the U.S. alone. So in recognition of this day, we're making pretzel-inspired s'more bites that highlight our twisted friends. The first thing we did was line the bottom of a baking dish with refrigerated cookie dough and baked it off. While it's still warm, we top it with mini marshmallows. Over that goes a layer of these tiny pretzels. Some chocolate chips goes over this, and back into the oven it goes, just long enough for the chips to melt. Once it cools, we'll cut it into small squares and it's ready to serve. The combo of the sweet and salty, plus the crunch from the pretzels, makes these practically irresistible. To get the recipe in time for National Pretzel Day, all you have to do is visit our website and type in Pretzel S'mores Bites. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a yummy, twisted way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.